Dear participants of the meeting, it seems obvious that freedom of speech and expression should encompass the right to discuss faith and religion, as well as to criticize offenses such as violence during the seizure of churches and the assault of believers. However, unfortunately, today such freedom does not exist in Ukraine. 4 criminal cases have already been opened against me, the Metropolitan of the Ukrainian Orthodox Church, for my sermons and public statements, in which I defend the rights of my parishioners and my church, and speak out against violence and human rights violations in my country. I didn't say anything illegal. I didn't call for the overthrow of the government. I have merely criticized radicals who seize our churches and assault our believers, and I have turned to the courts and police for protection. Yet the authorities demand criminal punishment for me. I am currently under house arrest, and before each court session, radicals organized protest outside the courthouse to pressure on judges. All verdicts and charges are formed on the basis of the so-called expertise, that is, the opinion of the linguist-psychologist who interprets our texts in a way that suits the prosecution. There is no question of freedom of speech or adherence to journalistic standards. These freedoms are merely formalities enshrined in Ukrainian law, but the reality is completely different. Dear Mr. Special Rapporteur, I kindly ask to draw your attention to the process of total destruction of freedom of speech in Ukraine. I ask you to protect the right to express religious beliefs and the right to protect human rights in my country. Thank you for your attention.